Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Buy Smart, the only place where your purchasing decisions get a smart upgrade. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, or as I like to call it, Photon, and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, aka Kobra. So, sit back, relax, and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Photon comes in at a cool $559, while Kobra is flexing its muscles at $719. That's a $160 difference. For that price, Kobra better come with a personal masseuse, or at least make me breakfast in the morning. But hey, we're not here to judge a book by its cover, or in this case, a printer by its price tag. Let's dig deeper. Okay, speed demons, this one's for you. Photon boasts a print speed of 105 millimeters per hour. Impressive, right? But wait, Kobra is out here like Usain Bolt in a 3D printing race, boasting a max speed of 500 millimeters per second. That's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. Sorry, Photon, but Kobra just left you in the dust. Reviewers love the Kobra's speed, making it a favorite for those who value time efficiency. Now, let's talk about print quality. Photon is packing a 12K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution so sharp it could probably cut through steel. We're talking 19 microns here, folks. That's finer than a strand of unicorn hair. Kobra, on the other hand, focuses on a large print size with optimized extrusion and cooling systems. It's like the difference between a fine artist's brush and a paint roller. Both are great, but for different masterpieces. According to reviewers, Photon's detail is unmatched, making it ideal for intricate models. Speaking of masterpieces, Kobra's got a print size of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters. That's 88 liters of pure, unadulterated creation space. You could print a small car in that thing. Photon, you're great, but you're more like a luxury compact car compared to Kobra's SUV. Size does matter, people. Reviewers appreciate Kobra's large build volume for ambitious projects. Now, let's geek out on the smart features. Photon has a leveling-free solution and intelligent checks that make sure everything is running smoothly. It's like having a butler who makes sure your tea is always the perfect temperature. Kobra, though, takes it to the next level with smart app control, allowing you to manage everything from your phone. It's like having a butler who also doubles as your personal assistant and yoga instructor. Fancy? Reviewers highlight Kobra's app control as a major convenience. Ease of use? Photon is leveling free and has an upgraded slicer software that's practically foolproof. Kobra, however, has effortless auto-leveling and vibration compensation. It's like comparing a self-driving car to a regular one. Both will get you there, but one lets you nap on the way. Reviewers find both printers user-friendly, but Kobra's auto-leveling is a standout feature. Reviewers are generally impressed with both printers. The Photon Mono M5s is praised for its exceptional detail and user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for hobbyists and those who need intricate prints. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Max is celebrated for its speed, large build volume, and advanced features like app control, appealing to those who need to produce larger models quickly. So there you have it, folks. If you're all about that high-speed, large-volume life, Kobra is your go-to. But if you want exquisite detail and a user-friendly experience, Photon is your new best friend. Either way, you're winning in the world of 3D printing. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart.